Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to merge events in Studio One. So let's say that you are editing drums or some kind of rhythmic content track, right? In this case, we have an audio track called Loop 1, and it has 4 audio events in this case. You can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, let's say you need to move them, back and forth, and you want to maintain the distance between them just the way it is right now. Well, if you basically click on, let's say, the last one and you drag it, well, what happened? You just drag that one. You actually wanted to drag the whole thing. So how do you do that? Well, if you click on one of the events, it doesn't have to be the first one or the last one. If you just click and while you hold shift, you click on all the others, you can see now all 4 events have been highlighted. You can see the blue rectangles around them, meaning they've been highlighted. Then you can go to the event menu and click on merge events. Once you do that, now all these events have been merged, which is basically gluing them together. So now you can click and drag it and it stays the same. Okay, so that's how you merge events in Studio One. If you have any other questions, please call us at OBEDIA at 615-933-6775. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Today's pro audio hardware and software can give you excellent results if you know how to use it properly. OBEDIA can help you to get the most out of your pro audio hardware and software. Why spend your time scouring the internet for answers or digging through manuals? With one quick call to an OBEDIA technician, you'll be connected with someone who can give you the answers that you need in real time via phone and remote desktop. OBEDIA technicians are trained in all major digital audio applications on Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices. OBEDIA member subscriptions are cost-effective, give you great member benefits, and OBEDIA is here 7 days a week to help you get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. No matter what your level of expertise, OBEDIA can help you to stay focused and productive and get your music back on track. Start taming your technology today with OBEDIA.